Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. In last lecture we discussed the relation between the degree measure and the radian measure. Now today we are going to converge the degrees into radians and the radians into the degrees. So the first one is conversion of the degree measure or the degrees into the radians. Now the first question is to what is the value of the 25 degree in terms of radians, that is we have to convert 25 degree into radians. We know that the 1 degree equals to pi upon 180 radians. Hence from this 25 degree equals to, by multiplying 25 to equation first on both sides, we get pi upon 180 into 25 degrees. 25. Now here we have radians, here it is radian. Now which is simply by simple addition, it is 5 upon 36 pi radians. So this is the value of this 25 degree in terms of radian. Similarly, if we have to convert minus 25 degree into the radians, it is simply 25 is 5 upon 36 pi radians. Hence minus 25 degree is minus pi upon 36 pi radians. Here this negative simply in angle system, negative simply means the direction in which we measure, whether it is clockwise, so it is negative. If it is positive, then it means that we are measuring the angle in anti-clockwise direction. Now similarly, if we have to convert this 47 degree 20 minutes into the radians, how to convert? You know that from first 1 degree equals to pi upon 180 radians. Firstly, we will convert this to 20 minutes into the degree also. You know that 47 degree 20 minutes can be written as 47 degree plus 20 minute. Now 20 minute is 1 by third of the degree, 1 by third of the degree, because 1 degree equals to 60 minutes, and in 60 minutes 20 minute equals to 1 upon 3 degree. Hence by simple this cross multiplication here, 47 degree 20 minute equals to 142 upon 3 degrees. So this means that in order to convert this 47 degree 20 minute into the radians, we will simply convert this, or we have to convert 142 upon 3 degrees into the radians. So by multiplying 142 upon 3 in equation first from both sides, we get pi upon 180 into 142 upon 3. By simple cross multiplication, we get 71 upon 270 pi radians. So one thing is important in this conversion. Whenever we have to convert this degrees into the radians, never put the value of the pi. We have to retain the pi in the given equation, that is in this equation 180 and this 1 degree equals to pi upon 180 radian. Now the second one is conversion of radians into the degrees. Now we are given with this radian, we have to convert those radians into degrees, or we have to find the value of these radians in terms of the degrees. Now the first one is 11 upon 16 radian. 11 upon 16 radian. We know that 1 radian equals to 180 upon pi degrees. 180 upon pi degrees. And first we have 1 degree equals to pi upon 180, but here we have 1 radian equals to 180 upon pi degrees. We have to convert 11 upon 16 into degrees, which implies that 11 upon 16 radian. By multiplying in this equation, in this 11 upon 16 radian is 180 upon pi into 11 upon 16 degree. Now this whole is degree from this side, from RHS. Putting the value pi equals to 27 by 22 upon 7, we get 315 upon 8 degrees. Now by long division method or by division algorithm, if we have two numbers p upon q, these two numbers can be written as, or there exists unique numbers, remainder and the quotient, such that they can be written as the product. Here 315 upon 8, when we find the factors, we can write this 315 as 8 into 39 plus 3, 8 into 39 plus 3, or 315 upon 8 can be written as 39 plus 3 by 8. You know it because it's the basic concept of this division algorithm. Now this 39 plus 3 upon 8 degrees can be written as 39 degree plus 3 upon 8 degree. Now this 3 upon 8 degree is less than 1 degree. So less than 1 degree means it is in terms of the minute. So we have to convert this 3 upon 8 into the minutes, which implies that in 1 degree we have 60 minutes, which implies that in 3 upon 8 degree we have 3 by 8 into 60, this means minutes. Hence by multiplication it is 180 upon 8 minutes. Now again, which is simply 45 by 2 minutes. Here dash prime at the top simply indicates the minute. By the same way like in this we did here by division algorithm, we can write this as 39 degree 22 plus 1 by 2 minute. Now this 22 plus 1 by 2 minutes can be written as 22 minutes plus 1 by 2 minute. Now 1 by 2 minute is less than 1 minute, so we have to convert this 1 by 2 minute into the seconds, because in this conversion we need the integral values, not the decimal values. Here 1 by 2 is the decimal value, like here it is 3 by 8 degrees, it is simply a decimal, so we have to convert these decimals into the degrees, like into degrees, integral degrees, then we have to convert into the remaining into the integral minutes, or then we have to convert into the integral seconds. We cannot write this as half minute or half degree or half second. So this simply means 39 degree plus 22 seconds plus 22 minute plus half second, half minute equals to, in terms of second, is 1 by 2 into 60 seconds, because in 1 minute we have 60 seconds, which is simply 30 seconds. Hence 39 is integral value, 22 is integral value, 30 is integral value, which implies that the value of this 11 upon 16 radian is 39 degree 22 minute and 30 second. Now similarly, if we have another one, it is minus 4 radian. Minus 4 radian. We had to find, or we had to convert this minus 4 radian into the degrees. Now the minus 4 radian can be written as 180 upon pi into minus 4 degree, because 1 radian is 180 upon pi degrees. Here this one. Now putting value equals of y equals to 22 upon 7, we simply get this minus 4 radian equals to 2520 upon 11 degree. Now put this minus outside, and by division algorithm or by long division method we can write 20 upon 11 equals to 229 plus 1 upon 11. So this, we will continue with this one, with this positive term, that is 229 plus 1 upon 11 degree. Now the minus means we have to put, if we have angle in the angle negative radian, then we can have the angle also in negative degrees. So this means that here we will continue with this very term, that is 2 to 9 plus 1 upon 11 degree, which can be written as 2 to 9 degree plus 1 upon 11 degree. Now this 1 upon 11 degree is simply less than 1 degree, so we convert it into the minutes, which is simply by multiplying 60 it becomes minutes. In terms of minute, it is 11 1 upon 11 into 60 minutes, which is simply 60 upon 11 minutes. Now by division, this long division or simply by the division, it is 5 plus 5 upon 11 minute, because 5 plus 5 upon 11 is 5 into 11 plus 5, which is 55 plus 5 upon 11, which is 60 upon 11 minutes. So this means that here 5 plus 5 upon 11 minutes can be written as 5 minutes plus 5 upon 11 minutes. Now this 5 upon 11 minute is less than 1 minute. So we will convert this 5 upon 11 into the second. 5 upon 11 minute equals to 5 upon 11 into 60 seconds, which is simply 300 upon 11 seconds. Now this 300 upon 11 seconds in terms we cannot further divide it, because we cannot have the after second in this major system. We cannot have the units other than second, or the which are smaller than second, like degree, then we have minute, then we have second. So when we divide this 300 by 11, we simply get 27 upon 27.27 seconds. Now this 27 upon 27 seconds can be written either as or approximately as 27 second or 28 second. Both are the correct. Hence the value is simply minus 4 radian equals to minus 2 to 9 degree 5 minute 28 second. Now the another one is, so in this way you can convert any degree or the any radian into radian or the degrees. Now we have the problem one, which is question number 2 of this, which is wheel makes 360 revolutions, 360 not degree, 360 revolutions in 1 minute. Through how many radians does it turn into 1 second? Now here number of revolutions in 1 second, here 1 minute is 360, because it is given that in 1 minute it makes 360 revolutions, which implies that in 1 second number of revolutions is simply 6, because 360 upon 60, because 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. In one revolution, if we have a circle, angle subtended by the whole the circumference is 2 pi, which implies that angle subtended, or the angle through which, or the angle it makes, equals to 2 pi. So this means that in 1 second it makes 6 revolutions. Hence in 1 second it makes how many, in 6 revolutions, which means in 1 second it makes an angle equals to 2 pi into 6, which is 12 pi radians. So 12 pi radians is the revolution, this angle which it makes in 1 second. So in this way you can convert these degrees into radians and radians into degrees. Inshallah, in next video lecture we will discuss the trigonometric function, which is one of the most important concept of this unit. So thank you.